Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make a voice call on WhatsApp using your mobile phone. First, open the WhatsApp on your phone. Once it opens, go to your chat list. Now, tap on the contact you want to call. This will open your chat conversation. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a phone icon. Tap on that phone icon to start a voice call. Wait for the other person to answer. Once they pick up, you can start talking. To end the call, simply tap the red End Call button on your screen. And that's it. You've successfully made a voice call on WhatsApp. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.